We are so thankful to the Lord for this one more day. The Lord has graciously given us our lives. This year also the Lord has kept us in the land of living and enabled us to have these hearings. We all know many of our dear ones, they are called to glory. 2026, every day almost a dead body is coming to heaven. So every day somebody or other. Young people, middle aged, old people, many are called to glory. Though we are not better than those dear ones, but God has kept us in the land of living. Today we were having a long time of singing. Almost 1 hour 20-25 minutes.